Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today is 20th of October 2024, and in this video I'm going to do a quick overview of the SBS strategy, or it's called also the Swing Brekaout Sequence strategy. And as you can see here, we have a backtest of this strategy from the 4th of March 2024 until the 16th of October 2024, and you can see that we have a good performance that generated approximately $14,000 with a nice maximum drawdown. So before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. Okay, now to download the strategy, you can go to automated-trading.ch and go to Ninja Trader Strategy on the left menu and click on the Swing Brekaout Sequence strategy. From there, you can access the product page, and you can go directly to the download and installation section, and you can click here to download the strategy. and then you should follow the installation instructions. So you should go to sorry about that. You should go to Ninja Trader and click on Tools, import Ninja Script add-on, and select the zip file that you downloaded. And then you can, of course, it should be a successful installation. You can go and open a new chart. The recommended time frame for the strategy is on MNQ and 30 seconds. Please make sure to select the ticker play. If you don't see ticker play, you should go to Tools, Options, and you should go to, I believe, Market Data and select the Show Ticker Play. If you select this, then you can go back to the chart and select the time frame, and you should select the ticker play. Okay, so once you open the chart, of course, make sure it is 30 seconds with the ticker play selected. I have selected the last week, so I'm not handpicking a period. I just selected the last week. Today is Sunday, 20th of October, and I selected from the 14th of October until the 18th. So you click OK on the chart. Now you have a chart that can on which you can add the strategy. Okay, so one thing that you should do is after the install of the strategy, you can go to directly install a template file that will contain the preferred parameters. So as you can see here, you have 3 templates. And the best one is the first one. So you click on this one, you have a template here. If you click on this, you have the instruction how to install the template file. So let's have a look at the template file. So the parameters should look like that. You have the resume of the performance and the curve. And to download the parameter file, you click here, and it says that you should save as the link to your Ninja Trader template file that is located on under your documents, Windows documents, Ninja Trader 8 template strategy. And if you don't have this folder named ATCH Swing Brekaout Sequence strategy, you should create it manually and save the template file there. So you right click, save link as, and save your template file under this location. And then you go back to Ninja Trader and let's add the strategy. So strategies, and you should see the strategy here. It's called ATCH Swing Brekaout Sequence strategy. So you add the strategy, and you should load the template just you that you downloaded, and it is there. The template's called something like that and ends with trailing. So you load the template and it will fill all the parameters. You don't need to modify anything. It is ready to go. Okay, so let me explain the logic behind the strategy. For that, I'm going to use another product, which is the SBS indicator, which is a free indicator that you can download on the website. You go to the Swing Brekaout Sequence indicator, and you go to the download section. You do the same thing. You download the indicator, and you go back to NinjaTrader and do Tools, Import Ninja Script add-on. You select the zip file that you just downloaded, and that will install the indicator. And then on the same chart, I'm going to add the indicator, which is this one. It's the Swing Brekaout Sequence. So I'm going to add this, and you can see that you need a license. So let me explain how you can get a license. So automated-trading.ch is a technology provider for retail traders. So as you can see, we have a lot of products for different platforms, and you can see that we have both free and premium products. So to use both free and premium products, you need to create an account and get your license. And for only for premium products, you need to buy a subscription for the price of $15, which I think is a very reasonable price for the value you get from our indicators and strategies. So to create an account, you go to login, and you can either create an account with your email and password or use Google sign in. So once you create an account or login, you can find the license number under subscription and billing on the menu. So you click this, and on this billing info page, you can find your license displayed in here. So this license you can use for both free and premium products. So you copy paste this license, you copy the license, and you paste it on the license parameter here, and this will activate your free SBS indicator. Okay, so let me add the indicator to the chart. I'm going to change one parameter, which is the breakout swing. I'm going to explain that later. By default, it is set to swing 4, and I'm going to set it to swing 3. And when you add the indicator to the chart, you can see that the indicator will display those swing points. So let me go back to the website, and if you go to the indicator page here, Ninja Trader Indicators, and go to the Swing Brekaout Sequence, you can find some interesting links. You can find the same indicator for the Quantower platform. If you're using the Quantower platform, you can use the same indicator by downloading it here. And I strongly invite you to join our Discord server. We have a great community. We are constantly doing optimization of the strategy and looking and finding the best parameters. It's free. You can join the Discord community for free, of course. And this is the link I want to show you. This is the link to the original Stoic video explaining his SBS concept. So if you go to YouTube, you can find a long video explaining his concept about this SBS concept. And So let me do a quick explanation of it. So this SBS pattern is actually a swing point sequence pattern that is composed of 5 swings. Let me go back to the chart. So it is a 5 swing point pattern, either bullish or bearish. So here we have an example of a bearish pattern. So it's composed by 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and followed by a breakout. So this is the theory behind the this entry setup. And so you can see we can split this entry into 2 parts. The first part is the swing points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the algorithm will detect those swing points. Let me search for a bullish pattern here. You can find a bullish pattern. So the algorithm in the first part will look for these swing points, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the second part is a breakout part. So you need to see a breakout at some level. You need to see a breakout. So in the original video of Stoic, you don't see, he does draw this box here and specify that you need to see a breakout. But so indeed, if you implement this algorithm, you need to specify to the algorithm which level you need the breakout to take place. And so this is what the indicator and the strategy allow you to do, is to specify what is the breakout level that will trigger, that will validate this sequence. So here I can choose from multiple choices here. I have the prior swing. In fact, the prior swing is those levels here. You have a prior high swing and a prior low swing. So you can choose this level for a bullish sequence. So if the price here break out from this level, you can the algorithm will trigger this sequence. And inversely, for a bearish sequence, it is the swing low that will be used. And of course, you have other options: swing 1, the swing 2, swing 3, or swing 4. And also you can have a Fibonacci retracement level breakout. So if you choose Fibonacci retracement, you can choose which level the breakout should occur on for the sequence to be validated. So as you can see, you have multiple choices here. But the first part, which is the detection of the swings, is the same for all those options. But you get to choose which level the price should break out from for the pattern to be validated. So I've did a lot of backtest of this strategy, and the first and the best one, I think, the one that generates the least amount of sequences is swing 3. Because if you choose another level, for example 4 or 2, you will have many false signals. So let me do this. I will select swing 4, for example, as the breakout swing, and I click OK. It will take some time to calculate, especially because the tick replay is checked. So if you're using only the indicator, you can uncheck the tick replay. It's not required for only using the indicator. But if you are running the strategy, you need the tick replay. So it's taken some time because I've loaded a week of data. Okay, so it finished loading, and we can see that now we have more patterns that are detected, and they are not necessarily a better quality, because here you can see that this bar has breakout from the fourth swing, And here we have a lucky outcome, but you have, for example, this one is not lucky because um, the breakout from the swing 4 didn't mean that the price went down. So as you can see, you have multiple of options in the indicator. I strongly invite you to use it, especially if it's free. It's free forever. You only have to create an account and copy paste your license here, and you can use the indicator. I will just remove the indicator. I will remove the indicator and I will add the strategy. So the strategy is not free. It is a premium strategy. Of course, you need to buy subscription. Very affordable, $15 per month, and you can access all the premium products, not only this one. So I'll add the strategy and I will load the template that I downloaded from the website. So this is the template. It ends with trailing, and I load the strategy and I'm ready to add it to the chart. One thing, one important parameter, which is this one, backtest mode, or also you can call it execute historical trades. So if you check this parameter, you tell the strategy to execute on historical data. This is maybe useful to see what is the performance on historical data, or also to make sure that the strategy works well. So this is what I am going to do. I'm gonna enable the strategy. Of course, don't forget to check the enabled, or you will not see you will not see the strategy executing anything. So for me now, I will check backtest mode and I will check enabled, and I will click OK. Okay, so after a few seconds, the strategy finished doing the backtest. Not backtest, but finished executing on historical trades. So if you scroll back, you can see the trades and you can see the SBS sequences being drawn. And so if you go to strategy performance and click historical, you can see the performance, the theoretical performance on this last week. So I'm not handpicking a period. I just execute it on the last past week, and you can see that it had on MNQ on the 30 seconds time frame it made $300, and it started the week with a loss, and then it made one day a winning day. The 16th it didn't open any trade, and then the 17th it made a profit, and on Friday it ended the day with a break-even trade. So this is on the last week, and if you execute a backtest, a very long backtest on since March, you can see that it did great. In fact, it did great. Of course, this is very realistic and precise result, because in the code of the of the strategy, I'm really using the recommended method from NinjaTrader to execute intrabar granularity of executing trades. So this is very precise, and I am running this strategy live on a VPS, and I can assure you that not only me, but also some members of the Discord community, we are running this strategy live, and the backtest results are exactly the same as the backtest. So you can check this for yourself. Don't take my word for it, but check it for yourself. Okay, so go back to the backtest results. Very good backtest results. One thing to notice here, that some days it takes a loss. This is part of trading. You cannot expect that it takes always a profit. Of course, you can see here that you have very, you have some streaks of losing days. And if you analyze this monthly, you can see that March to August it is winning. You can notice here that May it only made $50, and in September it had a loss of $1,000. So if you started using this strategy in the month of September and you had a losing month, you may think that this is a shitty strategy and you just drop it in the garbage. But if you look at the context, if you look at the long-term view, you can see that on the long term, this can be a profitable strategy. So this is what I do. I run this strategy on live on Apex, and I try. I really try hard to not lose hope when I have 3 days losing in a row. Um, and when I have a losing day, I try not to convince myself this to drop this strategy and just move something else. This is the good thing about the backtest is that it gives us the long-term view on the strategy. I think you should not focus on one day or on 1 week, and as you can see, on 1 month, because some months you can have a losing month, but focus on the long term. So I hope this strategy continues to give good result, and I invite you to use it. It's very affordable, $15 per month. I see other people on YouTube offering the same strategy for hundreds of dollars. I think it's very expensive, and I'm constantly improving this strategy. For the parameters, I will not explain this in this video. You have a lot of parameters, but you can just download the template and use it directly. You don't need to modify any parameter, only this one. So make sure to, when you want to start this strategy, to check enabled. And if you want to run this on live on your VPS or on your machine live on the prop firm account like Apex or other, make sure to uncheck this. You should uncheck the backtest to avoid any problems with orders being sent and just before the historical trade mode finishes. So take my word for it, remove the backtest mode. It's not a problem with the strategy, just the logic can create problems. So remove this, enable this strategy, and you can add the strategy. You click OK, and I will show you one thing about the license. So I will enable the strategy here, and I will show you how you can submit your license to use this strategy on live mode. Knowing that all that I have did now on historical trade on backtest, you can do it without needing to subscribe or pay anything. You can do it for free. But to run this strategy on live, you need to do the following thing. So you add the strategy, click OK, and I will show you how you can submit your license. Okay, so to be able to use this on live accounts, please make sure before adding the strategy or maybe after to enable the chart trader. From here on the chart, click on chart trader. By default it is off, but make sure to click on chart trader, and there when the strategy is enabled you will see a panel here showing that the state of your license. So if you didn't submit your license, it will show an input text box where you can copy paste your license, click on the check license button, and you will have this license is valid message. So this will be persisted until your next billing date, so you don't have to submit this every time, only once. And here you are ready to go. So this strategy is enabled now, and it is ready to be executed. So if you don't submit your license and show you the panel, the strategy will not open trades. It will execute on historical trades, but it will not execute on live trades. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you, the subscribers. If you subscribed, make sure to hit the like button and click on subscribe YouTube. And if you are interested in my website and my product, please support me, help support my work by subscribing. And thank you, and have a good day. Bye.